County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas is back in session. Our next case is called number 327964. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Amber Nicole LaFleur. We have Miss Amber Nicole LaFleur who is appearing via Zoom. Miss LaFleur, is that your full name?
Yes, sir, it is.
Miss LaFleur, would you please raise your right hand? Miss LaFleur, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
Miss LaFleur, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Miss LaFleur?
I'm very content.
Oh, that's good. Miss LaFleur, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. Attorney Cole, how are you doing?
Doing great, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. LaFleur, I have before me an information that has been filed by the District Attorney's Office. This information alleges that on or about September 30th of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed to Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespassing. Ms. LaFleur, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir, I do, Your Honor.
And to this charge, Ms. LaFleur, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Ms. LaFleur, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir, I am.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir, I'm guilty.
Ms. LaFleur, I have before me a document that is titled the misdemeanor plea admonishment. It is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials on the line next to a box that's titled guilty. Ms. LaFleur, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir, I did.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. LaFleur, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, which is titled the Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, Ms. LaFleur, there is a signature at the bottom of this document above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. LaFleur, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this same document, there are 2 boxes that are checked. The first box that is checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. LaFleur, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Yes, sir.
Ms. LaFleur, prior to signing and initialing all of these documents that I have just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Cole, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
And did you read and understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any
No
objections?
objections.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Cole, you've advised and counseled Ms. LaFleur. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. LaFleur, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Very satisfied.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, he has.
Ms. LaFleur, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
What is that agreement?
The agreement, Your Honor, is for 45 days time served with court costs to be taxed and retired.
Ms. LaFleur, the state is offering that you serve 45 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 45 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you will be given credit for the time that you have spent in jail, which is 45 days. So you'll be given credit for time served. The court costs, in this case, Ms. LaFleur, you will not have to pay it because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed, and retired. Ms. LaFleur, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir, I do.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, very fair.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, I do accept.
Okay, Ms. LaFleur, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. LaFleur, this will conclude your case. You can follow the bailiff. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Cole, this will conclude your case as well. You have a
Yes.
blessed day as well.
You
Thank
too,
you.
Your Honor.
I appreciate it.
Ms. LaFleur, reach out to me, please. Okay?